was Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly. He became governor of that state. He became Minister of Transport in this country. All of this under 60. I think God has been gracious to this great Nigerian. The theme of this birthday is weaponizing poverty in Nigeria, a case study. It is something that all of us, as leaders, as Nigerians, know where we are.
It is not a fairy tale that the 60th birthday of His Excellency, Right Honorable, and may I add, now Barrister Amaechi, is eliciting so much passion. Why would the topic be poverty? Because he's a man who fights for the poor. Your Excellencies, the last time I was in a room with so many politicians with intimidating profiles, I was talking about Amaechi. That was about 6 years ago. And let me recap what I said then. I said he's a trusted gentleman, he's tenacious, he's hardworking, he is stubborn, and he delivers.
Thank you very much.
And I'm here today to reaffirm that nothing has changed. Your Excellency, happy 60th birthday.
Sometimes we tend to look back and say, why did the machine reduce the situation? So please, let us continue with the kind of problems that we have. Beyond poverty, why is it that in our political culture that we have been producing, whether at the military level or at the civilian level, that we have been producing the worst of us in terms of leadership? We must find a way as we discuss and as we talk, talk shop. Sometimes when you don't talk, you don't know the issues. We must find a way to really find our first level and put them forward.
Beginning with the former Vice President, Waziri, governors who are here, your Royal Majesties and Highnesses, and in particular my brother and his dear wife, the celebrant, and all of you, our leaders, friends, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like, on behalf of my family and I, to congratulate my dear brother and his wife and his family on achieving this very significant milestone of 60. It seems to me that we may have conspired at the other side, but he came to this sphere few months before I did. I will be 60 January. So I congratulate you. And I want to use this opportunity to thank Madam for taking very good care of our brother. He's actually looking far younger than 60. We are all here with Chief Oyegu, His Excellency, who is our leader here. Secondus is here, Leo, and all of us as part of this national audience, but also as people from our zone who are here, with Senator Odoide here, all of us here to congratulate and show solidarity with our brother. And by doing so, look up to a future politics that will transcend vitriol and division and disagreements of the past. Mishi, congratulations. While we were governors, I can attest
the fact that you invested seriously in security. You were flushing out criminals from River State, just as I was also from Bayelsa, flushing them out from Bayelsa. And they had difficulty determining where to run to. It's not enough, it's good for governors to build roads and flyovers, but then you must identify priorities. Security, investing in education, investing in health care, building security, and showing and demonstrating democratic temper in the way you handle and manage it. On a light note, when I came in here and climbing up here, I've seen a lot of you, and as my brother El-Rufai has said, there are a number of you who are expert conspirators, who know how to assemble coalitions and then take over governments as you did to my party 2015. And when you did so, particularly to a clueless government, so-called, now, 11 years down the line, we thought that there would have been no weaponization of poverty and that all the challenges of Nigeria would have been gone. But 11 years down the line, here we are, assembled to still bemoan the fate of our country. And the only advice I can give, not being a professional coalition builder and conspirator, as some of you are, is that this time, shine your eyes.
Thank you so much.
As you build coalitions and conspire, shine your eyes. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. God bless you all.